channel. Today we will be working on exercise number 14. There's going to be lots of offsetting, but it's super easy. So I'll see you in the exercise. I'm going to draw a line with 70 units in length. Zoom out a little bit. I'm going to go ahead and do a line in 60 length. And I'm going to make it a rectangle. Now I'm going to offset 10 units from here to here, 20 units from here to here, so 10 units. And I'm going to go ahead and erase this middle one before I forget. And I'm going to offset this again another 20 units. Or 10 units from here to here. Now I'm going to offset 20 units. This line right here. And I'm going to offset that line 15 units. Line 15. And I'm going to offset this line again another 15 units. And there we have it. So now I'm going to go ahead and do 4 circles with the diameter of 12. So center diameter of 12. One is going to be right here. Another one is going to be right here. And I'm going to just copy, pick it up from the center, drop it off right here. Escape. I'm going to do another center diameter. And this time I'm going to do the radius of the diameter of 30. I'm going to erase all the lines that I don't need. And there we have it. This was exercise number 14. I'll see you on the next exercise.